In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a contact in HoneyBook. If you've ever found yourself needing to clean up your contact list or perhaps just remove someone who no longer needs to be there, you're in the right place. Let's walk through the steps to ensure you can delete a contact with ease. First things first, you'll want to launch your HoneyBook dashboard. That's where all the magic happens. Once you're logged in, look to the left sidebar where you'll spot the Contacts tab. Click on that and you'll be taken to a page where all your contacts are neatly organized. Now scrolling through this list, find the contact you wish to remove. Maybe it's an old lead or someone who's moved on from a project. Once you've located them, look directly to the right of their name. You'll see three little dots, often referred to as an ellipsis or just more options. Clicking on these dots will reveal several actions you can take. From this drop-down menu, you'll need to select the Delete Contact option. It's pretty straightforward, but here's where a tiny bit of caution comes into play. Deleting a contact is a permanent action in HoneyBook. That means once you remove them, they're gone for good, unless you manually re-enter them. So make absolutely sure this is what you want to do. After you've selected Delete Contact, a confirmation prompt will pop up, asking you to confirm your decision. This is just HoneyBook double-checking that you're sure about removing this contact. If you're certain, go ahead and confirm. And there you have it. The contact has been permanently deleted from your list. That pretty much wraps it up. Remember, keeping your contacts up to date helps in maintaining smooth and organized communication within HoneyBook. If you ever find yourself needing to add the contact again, you'll have to do so manually, so always double check before hitting that delete button. I hope you found this video helpful. Managing your contact list can save you a lot of time and potential headaches in the future, ensuring you focus only on the contacts that matter. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide useful, feel free to check out our other tutorials for more HoneyBook tips and tricks. Have a great day!